Hi, it's Fiona Fernandez, Stampin' Up! Independent Demonstrator at 5P Handcrafts, and there's all my details. I thought I'd do a quick live. I was cleaning up the mess, you know, it's a bit of a mess after my live the other day, and I thought I'd just do a quick little live to show you this planner. I've started putting things away, so this is a special that's on in Sale-A-Bration next month for customers. But if you join Stampin' Up! Now, you can actually add this to your starter kit. You can't buy it as a demonstrator after it goes live to customers. You can only get it if you join. But as a demonstrator, we can get some things early, so that's really cool. It's really cool. Look at this. That's got a little magnetic catch on it. Let's do it all one-handed. I'm just holding my phone to do this. So I've just been putting all the pages in, well, not all of them, some of them. That's a little notebook. That one's just got plain white pages in it. So there's a little pocket there, little pockets. And it's got all these numbered tabs, which is great. So this thing comes out, like you can just pull that out, and then you can move it to put in other places without having to undo the binder. So you've got one for every month, and there's all different pieces. So I've just put some basics in. You've got a month there, weekly priorities. So I've put 5 because you've got some weeks that start, you know, halfway through the week. So I've put 5 in. And then you've got a monthly, what's the monthly? Monthly review. And then these pages are extra pages that are in the pack. So you don't have to use them, but you can put them in if you want to. And there's like a list where you could keep a tab of expenses or put your shopping list in or that sort of thing. And then you go to the next number. So there are other pages in the excess. So that's the little book. Isn't it gorgeous? So pretty. All the Stampin' Up! Design, normal design. That's the back of it, and it's like it's a vinyl-y cover, nice and waterproof on the outside. There's a little stamp set to go with it, and that's photopolymer, which means you can see through them when you're doing stuff. With all those different stamps on it, which is great. You've got the Stampin' Up! One. If you're making any products to sell, you need to put this Stampin' Up! Logo on it, this little stamp here. So I do, so I've already got some of this, and I've just used one of these document holder things to put the excess in at the moment, because you can't fit everything into the binder, and it's got enough for 18 months, so that's really cool. So there's 3 notebooks that come in the pack. That one's got dots in it. Let's pop them up here. That one's got lines in it, and then I've just put the spare pages in here, and it all fits very nicely. There's stickers to use. You would have seen that in my live if you watched my unboxing the other day. Some more of the stickers. I should show you them that way. And I've just put the extra pages in, and there's extra numbered tabs as well. So if you just want to use them all. So it's really cool. Great little package and fantastic offer. Always putting out fantastic offers. Just love some of this stuff. Well, most of it actually. So there's my details if you want to buy anything in June. And yeah, I'll be back again Wednesday night live. My normal live on Wednesday night is making a card if you want to learn to make cards. So I'll catch you later. Have a great weekend. Ciao.